And here's kind of an update on our soil garden. It's been doing really well. You can see the cilantro looks like a couple feet high. Got some different herbs in here. The next tallest one would be basil. Got some thyme right behind the green onion. And you guys probably know what this is, but I don't. My wife threw it in there. Smells good though. Over here we've got our lettuce bed. These guys are looking really good. I just added a little bit more soil today. Over here we've got, this is actually my wife's section. I really don't know what's over here except for a couple of the tomatoes. I don't know which type, and this cilantro here that we're gonna let seed and then just replant the seed. So this guy's bolted already. Not really gonna be any use in terms of eating until we grab the seeds from him. Here's a Champion VFNT tomato. We've got a few other different types. Over here would be, well, we bought this guy at Home Depot. Did not grow them from seed as all the other herbs and vegetables I just showed you. This is another one we bought at Home Depot called Health Cake. And it's doing pretty well. You can see some guys down there. They're about the size of eggs. They're doing pretty well. This guy is just out of control here. It's almost, probably close to 6 feet tall. Grew this one from seed. You can see some of it's flowering here and there. But it's got all these, I mean, it looks, in some areas, it looks like it's growing grapes. I'll look down in here, and you can see, it looks like it's growing grapes. Some red ones down there, some more red ones, and then you've got these little guys here. There's a bunch of these all over the place. Like, for example, right here, right here, right here. Here's some more. Right up in the middle of them, there's a bunch. I'm afraid when this thing starts to ripen, we're gonna be in trouble. We're gonna be eating tomatoes like crazy. Here's the other one. Pretty ghetto setup here, but we don't have the wire rack like the other ones. This is Roma, and I don't see any tomatoes on it. It looks like it's all just flowering, but this is good for salsa. And here's one over here that was bought. Here's the name, Cavallo. This one I guess was from UH, so I don't know too much about it. We'll see how that does. We've also got our hanging pot here. No strawberries growing yet, but it's flowering, so we should see some pretty soon. Look at these guys, just starting up. Looking forward. We kind of changed the soil and did some things to hopefully enhance. Okay, that's just about it on the aquaponics and the some soil grown different things here. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Here are the test kits I'm using for keeping track of how the water is. I've got an iPhone app called Aquaponics. There was a couple bucks that I use, and it's pretty good. It gives a bar graph. You just punch in the the information you got, and it keeps track of it. In fact, you can do multiple tanks. I had a couple smaller tanks, and that data is all in there too. So okay, if you have any questions, comments, like I said, go ahead and hit me up. Thanks.